Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the new catless header that's paired with the Yonaka muffler that I got a couple of months ago. I purchased the header from Goodwin Racing. I did a lot of research on the various headers out there, and there are just so many good ones to choose from. But I finally settled on the Goodwin Racing brand because it's arguably the best one on the market today. Also comes with the 1.8 inch primaries that other competitors in that price range don't offer. So as far as the installation, it was a bit tricky. I'm not going to lie, it was challenging. But with the right tools, I think anyone can do it. There are plenty of installation instructions out there. So don't be afraid. Just take your time. My only suggestion is that if you're planning on putting both O2 sensors in the header, make sure that you get the short extension. Otherwise, it won't reach. And trust me on that. Go ahead and spend that little extra money. They're like 50 or 60 bucks, and you'll thank me later. If you go that route by putting both sensors in the header, you'll of course get a check engine light, but that can easily be remedied with a tuner. So the first thing I noticed after I installed the header is just how much more responsive the car is just with the header alone. I haven't seen any official numbers on the 8 horsepower gains from the header alone, but people say it's around 10 horsepower or so. Now, if you really want to maximize the performance gains, I would recommend getting a tune. I ended up getting a Fab 9 tune, which claims to add around 14 to 19 horsepower on a stock motor. And let me tell you, it really wakes up the car. It's very easy to download. And at $369, it's a real bargain. I think I paid like $325 during a Black Friday sale. And so, that can save you a little bit of money. The second thing I noticed with the header is just the magnificent sound that it makes. The car finally sounds like a true sports car with a pleasant tone that's not obnoxious, and it gives the car a real soulful character. When you're just kind of cruising around at a steady speed, it sounds a tad louder than stock, but once you get on throttle, you will unleash that little beast, especially above 4,000 RPM. And you'll want to rev it out each and every time to hear that engine sing. And in addition, you'll hear lots of, burbles and pops that will just absolutely put a smile on your face. So that's my take on the header now. Let me play a few clips for you of the Goodwin Racing header. I'll start with a clip just showing you the actual header, what it looks like as compared to the stock header, and then I'll do some flybys and just kind of a few inside the cabin rides. And I will in advance apologize about maybe the quality. There's a little bit of wind noise, birds chirping, things like that. I don't have any kind of fancy equipment. Just wanted to preface that I'm literally using my iPhone and a phone mount to do this video. So enjoy. So here's the new Goodwin Racing header. This is the 1.8 inch version. The design on this header is very beautiful. The welds are absolutely perfect. And just a solidly made product. I picked it up at Goodwin Racing during their Black Friday sale for $539. It normally runs at $599, so it's a little bit of a discount. This guy right here weighs 15.6 ounces. And if you compare it to the stock header, which is kind of ugly and had some design flaws, as you can tell, with how everything just collects into this center point and everything's just pinched. So not a very great design. Also, you can tell the difference a lot smaller. So you can tell how the new header is going to definitely improve performance. And this guy right here weighs 19 pounds to be exact. Well, I hope this video demonstrated the difference in sound by adding a header. The video honestly didn't do it justice. It definitely sounds much better in person. I was using my iPhone, so it didn't really pick up any of the burbles and pops, but trust me, they're there. So in conclusion, I think you'll be very satisfied with the performance gains by adding a header and the sound it produces. Anyway, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And thanks, and take care.